Hello and welcome to Off the Beaten Pot. My name is Tom and today I am going to tell you how Trangia stitched me right up for 7 months. But the main point of this video today is for a giveaway, and we are giving away 2 t-shirts. So I am tempted to sell these t-shirts on an online platform. I'm still umming and ahhing about it. I'm still not sure about the whole merch thing. My ethical or eco tendencies are sort of pulling me apart. So the very least I could do when making a t-shirt is go as ethical as I possibly could, and leaning heavily on the Rapanui brand. I decided to go with those guys who can print t-shirts to my design using their stock, and it's incredible. So it's made in the UK in a carbon neutral high-tech facility. The cotton is 100% organic and it can be sourced from farm right through to you guys as well. The inks are plant-based. I mean, ultimately the most eco thing you can do is not buy one of these t-shirts. But if you're in the market for a new t-shirt, a new cotton t-shirt, then hopefully this will grab your attention. First thing you know, it comes in pretty cool bag, lovely packaging, lovely illustrations. And the 2 I've got in here, these are my giveaways. So, excuse me. You will notice that they don't come wrapped in plastic. They're just straight up in the paper, which is brilliant. And I have the same design but in 2 colours, and for this purpose, for this giveaway purpose, they are also in 2 sizes. So in this lovely denim blue it's called, or jeans blue, no, denim blue. And this size is in medium. So that is the teal blue, denim blue in medium. And then I thought it looked rather fetching, and I've got this moss green in large. This is a really nice green, quite subdued, quite nature, obviously mossy, I suppose you could say. One very impressive thing about this, they are designed to last. They're not just, it's not drop shipping as we might be used to, where sweatshops in, well, pick a country, underpay employees just to get a fast buck. These are made in the UK. The cotton obviously is sourced elsewhere, but it is sourced from a fair farm with fair workers' rights. That's very important to me. And here in the inside label there's a code which is very clever. So in many years to come, when you've worn this to bits, you scan this code and it gets sent back to be remade, and you earn store credit as well. You scan the code, you get a discount, store credit for future products, and then this item itself gets sent back and reconstructed into clothing. So it's this circular loop, and then one day in many years in the future, same thing again. So I adore the idea that there is no reason that this organic cotton t-shirt has to end up in landfill. People have paved the way, like Fjallraven, Patagonia, Rapanui, Finisterre, have all paved the way in ethical clothing for the outdoors. And I don't consider myself one, but if anyone listens to me, if one person listens to me enough to, I say, buy a t-shirt, buy a product, or invest in this, that, or the other, and it's not an ethical product, I'd say that was negative influencing. And also, I like to call myself a creative, and if I create upon a destructive means, then what kind of creative am I? I don't want to judge anyone who goes different routes. It may be possible that in the future I support my channel through selling goods such as this, but I won't slap my logo on everything because there's too much stuff in the world. But people need t-shirts, and this, I think personally, is an incredibly good bet for a t-shirt. But like I say, the best thing you can do is not buy it in the first place, or buy second hand. I'm a terrible salesman, but there are things more important than pushing products. Any products I am thinking of making, I've got 2 things in the works that I'm very excited about, and I'm going to go along more a small production, so batch production of an item. I've got a local maker who's going to help me bring my idea to reality, and then I'll sell very few, and they're very, very useful products that should last multiple lifetimes. How can I win this t-shirt? Well, before I get into that, I just want to tell you how Trangia have absolutely for 7 months they got me. So I truly believe that they were releasing a Trangia stove made out of an aluminium that was formed from mushrooms, from fungi. What I love about it was an April Fool's joke, and I've told loads of people about it. I'm still excited about its release, and I know it's not happening. So that's I'm a bit annoyed with myself, but ultimately fair play, Trangia, that was excellent. But what I do find exciting about it is that we live in a time in history that I could fall for the idea that we can make metals from plants. Technology has come along the way that we can save the world that we're living in. I truly believe it. But Trangia, dudes, you better put some R&D into something incredible. There's so many people that I know who are now waiting for an aluminium made out of fungus. Trangia, fair play. So to win this video, please go to this video here, and it's a video I released a little while ago after my break, and I went foraging with my friend Stu. He's an incredibly knowledgeable man and incredibly interesting, and I just think what he has to say is worth being heard by more than the people who have currently seen that video and heard what he has to say. So I would love it for you to win one of these t-shirts. Literally just go to that video. I'll also leave a link to it below. Watch it through and then just vote on which meal. We ate 2 meals in that. Just which one you prefer, which one you like most out of the 2, and why. The moss green is large, and the denim is, well, the denim blue is medium. So thanks very much if you made it this far. Cheers and gone.